Welcome back to the third video in the Lasagne series. In this video, I will be showing you how to make the famous Ragù Alla Bolognese. Ragù is one of the ingredients you need when you want to make lasagna. The recipe here is for 6 portions of lasagna. You can also use it as a normal sauce for your pasta. For the soffritto, you will need 1 celery stem, 1 carrot, and 1 small onion. Chop the celery stem, carrots, and onions into small pieces. Add some olive oil in a pot and fry the chopped vegetables on low heat for about 3 minutes. Add the ground beef and stir continuously in order to scatter the meat. Welcome to all the new viewers. This is the third video of the Lasagne series, so I will invite you to check the description box for the first 2 videos. Fry for about 2 minutes, then add your salt and the black pepper. Add the glass of wine. Like I had previously said, always turn the flame to maximum before adding your wine, because it helps the alcohol in the wine to evaporate quickly. Add the tomato sauce and broth or water and then cook on low heat for about 2 hours. This will help the meat to be tender. Taste and add salt as desired. Turn off the fire and let it cool if you're using it for your lasagna. Your ragu is ready to be used.